In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Jira. We'll start from your Kanban board and move all the way through to building a simple, usable form that your team can fill out. Make sure you're logged into your Jira site and that you have access to the project where you want this form to live. First, open your Kanban board for the project you're working in. This is your usual board where you see columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. At the top of the screen or in the left-hand project navigation, look for the option labeled Forms. Go ahead and click on Forms. This will take you to the area where all existing forms for this project are listed. On the Forms page, look for the button that says Create a New Form. Click that. Jira will now ask you how you want to start. You'll see different templates, but for full control, choose Blank Form. Click on Blank Form so we can build everything from scratch. Next, you'll be prompted to pick an issue type for this form. For this example, select Task. That means every time someone submits this form, Jira will automatically create a task in your project, using the information provided in the form. Now you should see the form builder. At the top or center, you'll see an area that says something like Drag Fields to build your custom form. On the side, you'll see a list of available fields you can add, such as summary, description, assignee, and attachments. Start by dragging in the essential fields. For example, drag a text field into the main area to capture a clear summary or title. Click on the text area where it says something like, Answer will be written here, and rename the label to something meaningful, such as Task Summary or What Needs to be Done. You can usually add a description or help text here so people know exactly what to enter. Next, add a description field for more detailed information. Again, click on the placeholder that says Answer will be written here and update the label and any help text so it guides the person filling out the form. You might want to control who a task is assigned to. Click on the field that shows Unassigned and adjust the settings so the assignee is either fixed, chosen from a list, or left open for the reporter to decide, depending on your team's process. If you expect supporting documents or screenshots, drag in the Attachments field. You'll see a placeholder like, Attachments will be uploaded here. Leave that in place, but you can update the label to make it clear what kind of files you're expecting. As you build, you'll notice empty areas that say, Drag another field here. Use these to add any remaining fields you need, like priority, due date, or custom fields your team relies on. Each time you add or click a field, use the options on the side to rename it. Mark it as required if it's critical, and add short instructions so there's no confusion. When you're happy with the layout and field settings, your new Jira form is ready to be used in your Kanban project.